Look at the grease on the side of her mouth. Look at it.
Police! Police, police! We gotta go, we gotta go!
Well, good morning, guys. We're in New Orleans. This is your lovely Jade. Sleeping like a beauty, of course. Today she's going to be filming a fun little project. And she is just so tired. Bubba. But today's going to be a fun-filled day. I'm excited for it. I know she's going to do great. We have Avery and Dad here with us too. Avery's laid out eating her yogurt bites. And Dad, you just saw him. Boogie and Avery's already dressed and she has yogurt bites all over the bed. Hey, is that yummy? Is that yummy? A, B, C, D, Boogie. H, I, J, K. So, this is the outfit of choice for today. It's by 50/50 Children's Boutique. Jay actually really loves this dress and she's been trying to get me to let her put it on for weeks now, but we haven't had the opportunity. Thought today would be the perfect opportunity, of course. And then this is her bag that she cannot travel without. It's by the Coco Twins. They have so many different they have so many different things. She has the totes, the backpack. The backpack obviously is her favorite. But they come with so many different things. But you guys, make sure you check out the link because I'll have the link for this backpack that everyone keeps asking me about. And in case you really like this dress, Jade's worn a bunch of their clothing before. I have the link below for both of these websites for you guys to visit.
It was you.
Bubba. This little girl right here unplugged the air thing.
You did it.
So last night,
point at me.
Last night we were trying to figure out why we were so hot. The air would not go past 76. And it's actually 77 now. We want it to be 64. Bubba. Jay.
Oh, no, wake her up like you normally do.
Look at the grease on the side of her mouth. Look at it.
Police! Police, police! We gotta go, we gotta go!
You're a ballerina?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Okay, ready to do your hair? Okay, let's go. Hi. Take a spin. Let me see the back of your hair. Cute, girl. Cute.
This is fine.
Hey, bub.
The kaleidoscope and now we're in the elevator. And this is my dress for this. And guess what? It's Sister Day, so I got this ballerina dress. Wait, there's a swimming pool here. So, there's a Burnt Eagle cookies in there. Not like cookies. It's delicious. So, we're going to the door and shop on these because I'm inside the whole. Oh, there's a plane. Come on, guys, let's go. Guys, I don't know. This is a comfy place to lay on. This is the swimming pool. The whole entire big swimming pool. There's whatever swimming pool you can swim in. And there's already girl there. Hey, guys.
You ready, Bubba?
Do I got time to go?
Boogie. Hi, Boogie. working too?
Now, y'all, we have a sitting area up there. So I just
Okay.
brought you down here if you want food. But I can.
Almost rolled over me, Avery.
Go through the door.
This is something different.
No, just look at her. She don't always know.
Go. Can I slide?
I just want to hold your backpack. You in that there and show me. Okay. That's. Oh, okay. You just blaming everybody.
This is little James.
Okay.
This is me. I mean, this is me, and that's little James.
Okay.
This the shit though.
Show me the picture in the back that's colored. That one was really pretty. Hi. What up? How are you? Look.
That's
Who is that?
Love you so.
Who's that? Look, Bubba. Tell.
You are big. You a superstar, girl. She said, I know. I said, you a superstar.
So fake.
Everybody's just acting.
Look, go back behind the door. Go behind the door.
Look, it's a toy. I'm a supermodel. I'm not a police.
Look, it's a toy.
I'm a supermodel. I'm not a police.
Look at me, girl.
We got sound.
I can come back out.
Jessica sound good? Do it again.
Hold up. Let's color. Hold up.
Yeah.
Wait.
He's a natural too. Come on, you get some pictures too.
No, I think let's get some.
Avery, be careful.
Yeah.
Before you tip over.
I think the ribbon should be on podiums.
You hide now, huh?
Boogie.
Mary, go pull the dress down, baby.
Hand right here.
I know she ready for her surprise because I know this one here ready for his.
Wait, put it back on. Put it back and I'll just take it.
Please just tickle her.
Man, Jay, the whole mood out here.
Hey, Taylor, come see, look. Here's the wall. Do it.
I told him. I said, Jay been.
You know how to do this thing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, she been.
Like, you mean like this?
Three, two, one, action.
So, Lil James, Jade, how do you think your interview went? I'm
I
sorry. I'm bad. All right. How do you think your... All right.
I think I won. I think I won because I had all the energy. I think we both won.
You both won. So, is that the conclusion of the case? Who had the most evidence?
Both of us.
You had the most evidence. You both
Both of us
won.
because we're best friends.
You're best friends. Oh, well, I'm so glad that you guys are now best friends. Thank you, Judge Judy, for making these guys best friends. Reporting live
And
from
thanks for watching.
reporting live from Kscope TV. This is Lauren P.
Let me see this. CERE. Check out my videos. J-A Check out my videos too.
All right, guys. Well, thank you from K-Scope TV.